Morning everyone, set it all your cars. This is our 2013 Jaguar XFS. It's a portfolio model, 275 bhp. It's finished in Polaris white with the warm charcoal leather interior and the full exterior black pack. It's got 73,000 miles, 10 services, just 2 owners, 2 keys, and a very, very, very pretty car indeed. As I mentioned, it's got the black pack, so you get the black grille, all the gloss black bumper trims, the black wheels, etc. This one's got the 20-inch Calino wheels. Pronunciation's probably incorrect on that, I do apologise. It's got the privacy glass, keyless entry. Very, very, very straight, tidy car. It's got the Meridian audio, parking pack with the reverse camera. Bit of polish there that we've missed. Got the gloss black rear diffuser down there, look. Very, very, very nice. Really pretty. We'll show you inside. Boot's all really big, clean. Got your split fold rear seats. And I do believe a space saver wheel just there, look. This trim is an aftermarket bit of kit, it's quite nice. Looks like it's stuck on the top, not seen one of them before. Inside, we've got the black leather, or the warm charcoal leather, with the Isofix, the armrest in the centre, with the cup holders, piano black finishes, obviously being a portfolio, you've got the leather door cards. In the front, we've got the sport seats, which again, really good condition, with driver's memory. Meridian sound. All of the buttons are in good condition. The camera, for some reason, is making them look a bit patchy, but they're not. They're all very nice. Got your cruise control and your audio controls on your steering wheel. The rising gear selector. No warning lights, and 73,266 on the miles. All the vents work perfectly. As I mentioned earlier, we've got the reverse camera. We've got DAB radio. Hoping in here I can show you that it's got Bluetooth audio. There you go. I don't know what the video one is. Maybe a DVD player. But working navigation. Oh, still loading. But yeah, it's all there. It's all working. All really nice. And we've also got the Alcantara roof lining. And that's really it. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.